Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Raiden's Adventures. Today, we're taking our adventure down to Miami. It is Easter Sunday. You know, we'll walk around, see what's happening, even if it's Easter Sunday. Let's go. Hey guys, I decided to come to the Perez Art Museum because first weekend of every month, Bank of America cardholders have free admission to museums, and Perez Art Museum was one of them. And this is one of my favorite museums here. It's awesome. And right now the first hour is for seniors. So I decided to come to the Verde restaurant that's attached to the museum, and let me just show you a little bit of what they got here. So they have a QR code for the menu, and right now they have an Easter special menu too as well. And this is as you can see, this outdoor dining is really nice. You can see the bay. Really quiet. Well, not really quiet, but I mean, it's quiet enough. They have a little background music too as well. So let me just show you a little bit of what's going on here. So once you download the QR code, this is the brunch menu, special for Easter Sunday. So they got the house-made pancakes, spicy lamb pizza, Verde hash, and a citrus shrimp salad. And then they have a regular brunch menu if you go back. This right here. They got some wine as well. And also down here. Yep. And right now I just ordered a cappuccino. Alright, so guys, this is the Verde hash. It's a short rib with caramelized onions, and it has chorizo, potato hash, and a fried egg. Alright guys, moment of truth. It's really good. Short rib is very tender. It's not salty, not too salty. The blend with the potatoes and the egg, it's really good. Thank you. Recommended. Hey guys, just finished brunch at Verde, Miami. Now we're gonna head to the Perez Art Museum inside with my band. That was a great time at the Perez Art Museum. Fortunately, I couldn't film in there. Took some videos, some photos, and I'll probably post them on Instagram. Such a beautiful day. Probably continue to walk around downtown Miami. But for me right now, I'll probably take the Metro Mover. Alright, let's do it. And here, you can take a Bolt scoot or a lift scoot. And these are the city bikes that you can rent. Wherever they are. Off we go. So, if you're planning to travel around downtown Miami.
Attention Metro Mover riders. Freedom Tower Station is currently closed due to renovations. Please board or exit at Park West or College North Station. Thank you for riding Metro Mover.
Alright, so this is the map of the Metro Mover. So get downtown. There you go, there's like 3 different lines. So you just gotta be careful which one you take. That's kind of downtown. Well guys, had a little event fail. There was this art pop-up at the Intercontinental Miami, and fortunately it's not worth the $10 that I was hoping that I was gonna get. There's only a couple of Instagram back walls and the food is very mediocre, so you know, that's it. It happens. So taking that Metro Mover coming here to the Intercontinental Hotel was a real time saver. And if you haven't noticed, or I haven't told you, I just recovered from COVID-19 and pneumonia. Well, still in recovery phase. So long walks are no good for me. But take a look at this shit. You'll probably love this. Yeah. It's really nice views. Perfect weather. Humidity is like 60%, so I am not sweating at all right now. But I cannot walk too fast. That's for sure. Look at the skyline. Bayfront Park is nice. Yeah. All families are out and about. It's Easter Sunday. It's fantastic. But again, what sparked me to start, videoing my travels and my adventures with you guys is due in part to COVID-19 and pneumonia. That really hit me. Could be the healthiest guy in the world, but it doesn't matter who you are. It'll get anybody. Right now, just want you guys to enjoy this journey with me. Could be South Florida, Central Florida, out of the state. We have more adventures to come on this YouTube channel. So check it out. Probably need to take a break soon. But it's really nice out today. Miami has a wheel too. Just like Orlando and other big cities that wanted to have a wheel. I don't know what it does, but it does something. Check it out. Yeah. I don't know what it's called, what it says. It's called Staggy. Alright guys, so I was gonna take a stroll in through Bayfront Park Marketplace, but it's really crowded, so we're probably gonna start to head back to the Perez Art Museum. So, I mean, it's still pretty busy during the pandemic down here in Miami. So if you want to make us head down here, you can. Still not opposed. Well, I guess this ends our adventure for today. The whole plan was, there was no real plan on my adventures. Actually the very first one for this video. But hey, came to the Perez Art Museum, got in for free because I was a Bank of America card holder. And then remember, that's only the first weekend of every month that the card holder can get one ticket free. All right, went down to downtown Miami. Still not a whole lot of things open because it's Easter Sunday. It's pretty busy around Bayfront Park, so that was a little letdown. The most big fail was going to the Intercontinental Hotel, hoping that it was a huge art pop-up slash curated food that had some things that went with it. It was really tiny, small. For $10, it was not worth it. But stroll along, you know, downtown Miami, Brickell area, and Bayfront area. I mean, it was really nice out. 75 degrees, no humidity. So this is a good first start for this adventure for me. Because I'm still not 100% health-wise. I'm still recovering from COVID and pneumonia, and it's been almost 2 months. Oh, almost, yeah, it's been 2 months already actually. So I think it's good overall, but I look forward to you guys joining me on the next adventure. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and hopefully, you know, if you want to continue on with my journey, with my adventure. All right, peace.